Welcome to HYCM Insight with myself, Giles Coughlin. Now, the market move for the session ahead is as follows. Berkshire Hathaway is an American multinational conglomerate holding company headquartered in Omaha, Nebraska, US. The chairman and CEO of the company is Warren Buffett. Berkshire Hathaway and its subsidiaries, they engage in quite a range of different business activities, including insurance, reinsurance, utilities, energy, freight, rail transportation, retailing, manufacturing, and other services. And common stock of the company is listed on the New York Stock Exchange. Now, is Warren Buffett's company worth backing now as investors seek a new direction as post-COVID times loom? And is Warren Buffett the right man to steer a course in this environment? Now, over the last 25 years, you can just see that Berkshire Hathaway shares have risen 76% of the time between October the 25th and December the 30th, with an average return plus 4.13%. Largest gain was here in 2000 with a 19.47% rise. Largest loss was in 2008 where it registered a 12.49% loss. So any significant breakout of COVID-19 would be a major risk to this outlook. If there was a rise in global cases or a vaccine-resistant variant, that could hinder this outlook. Also, if there's any negative news for any of the individual stocks that Berkshire Hathaway hold, that could also pose a risk to this outlook.